Mum, are you a really good?
What's that coat there and how you melt it?
Come in. Well, I'll put it on this stick, you'll have two. Stick can write your name. Oh, yeah. Come on.
The old batch is safe.
Hey, Mum, I have 2 sparks and 1 spark left.
You've got 3 sparks.
3 sparks and 1 spark left.
We'll take it off of there.
Down here with them.
Yeah, it's gone down there.
Right, stand over there.
I am. I
Thought you were Mr. Health and Safety.
now you're Mr. Boring.
Where's your gloves?
Who needs them?
Thanks.
I didn't forgot to bring them. Now who cares?
Go on, Lewis, let's have a look. Yeah, there he is.
Oh,
I've
they're
got
gonna
him.
run out. It's gonna.
Ooh, is that it?
Yep. It's gone.
Ah, yeah, just there. Yeah, they're better than us.
So rubbish.
They're the best ones. Yeah.
I know. Yeah. Can I get another one? Yeah. I lost it pack.
I'll get a drink out of it.
Can I chuck it on fire when I've done?
Yeah, go on, just lob
Oh,
it.
it's gone.
Just lob it.
It's gone.
Soldier's win. Today.
What's that on?
What's he saying?
There's somebody moving in there.
It's Rube. Right, Rube. Reuben. That's it, isn't it? That Rube.
Nobody knocked off an old guy in my neighbourhood.
He gets away with it.
Lord Smush.
Wow, man.
Lord Smush. I bet you feel sick, didn't you, after that big all that.
I hope.
There you go.
What's this?
I hope he's found
Chuck
one.
it on, chuck it on.
Wait.
Go on, chuck it on.
That one yet.
I found one in my pocket.
Are you gonna do it?
Chuck it on.
Giving it to children in need.
So yourself. You act like a child. Hey, that's special needs. Wow.
That's nice, Rich.
What James teaches, isn't it? Whenever you see Richard, make sure you give him some shit.
He's good. It's gone. Are you blind? It's gone. Yes. Are you blind? Here, get me to blow on it. Hurry, go to.
That's just stick one in fire.
Oh, I'm gonna stick 2 in fire.
That's what?
I don't think
No. It's on fire.
to light other people for 5 minutes.
No, they won't like it.
You need the matchbox.
Just chuck it on. Chuck it on.
Get it on fire. Yeah.
No, young man. No, please. Thank you.
You can't move. I'll
No.
stand where I want.
No.
Like that.
You wait at Canberra.
Hey, I've got 2.
Go on, get closer to that fire.
My mum's gonna like
You
that.
do that. I know you vicious little kid.
Dear Dad.
You vicious little sod.
He's got his summer hat on there. But we need to... Go on, John.
Go on, Johnny. Get cut in. Is that aeroplane's landing here? What is it?
It's an aeroplane. We need to leave him Bradley.
I can't pick him up. Oh, there he is. I can get him on my...
I missed him.
Hey up, Craig.
Better fireworks display. Wakefield, Tennessee.
Oh, wait.